Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you a simple library or package in React.js which allows you to drag and drop images inside gallery with validation. So here you can basically drag and drop images, files or any sort of files. So let me just select multiple images here, 4 images. You will see it's basically inside this gallery like structure. And now if I once again select this, more images, you will see it will add this inside the gallery. So it will retain the previous images that I selected, and again it will append the new images that I select right here. So it's a great library which allows you to select images like this. You will see that. So it's taking the form of a gallery here, and you can even have validation as well. So if you want to try out different files, video files as well. So let's suppose if I select video file here, you will see MP4 is too large. You will see 21.mp4 is too large. You cannot select it. It also has validation as well. So I have given all the source code, guys, in the description of the video. I have written a complete blog post explaining step-by-step instruction here. So the package we are using for this video, guys, is React files. This is the package, and the very first link which comes here, it's a drop zone. Here you can drag and drop certain files. You will see 6,257 weekly downloads, and command is very simple, which is npm i react files. So we install this package. I will now be showing you how to basically write this, import this. So we will have first of all our functional component. And after, you will see that, guys, we will have hello world here. And after this, guys, we will be importing from React files. That's all. And inside this, guys, we will be basically be displaying this directive, which is files. It takes, I think, yes. So it also has an ending tag. And right here, guys, basically it takes some options which we can pass these options. First of all, it takes, you can even style it, just have a class name attached to it. So then we can even have on change. So whenever user selects this, we can have a function which is handle change. On error, if any sort of error take place, we can have validation error, on error. And we have this attribute, guys, which is accept. So this is the, basically it's a array. It takes the files that you will select, only accept. So we only will accept PNG files here. We can even provide here multiple files. We can even accept PDF as well, like this. Then we can allow multiple files to upload by multiple attribute. Then we have max file size. So this basically takes in bytes. So we can provide this much of bytes. And minimum file size you can set here. All these attributes are there. We can put here 0 here. And we can make this as clickable. So whenever a user clicks it, it also opens. So now we need to define these functions here, which is first of all handle change and this handle error. And right here, guys, in handle change, we can basically have hook function here, which is files, set files. We can have use state. Initial value will be empty array. And inside this, you will have the files which the user has selected. And here we can simply say set files. You can use the use hook method. And previous files which are already there, we can append them using this code. You can say, you can use the spread operator, previous files, and then we can say new files, that's all. And then we can also console log the error message alongside with the code. So this error will be passed here inside the argument. And now we can basically, guys, display these images inside the gallery right here. Now to display these images, we can simply first of all have this condition files.length. If the length is equal to 0, in that case, we can simply say to the user that drop files here. That's all. So if you reload this, you will see drop files here. As you click this, you will see basically. And after the user has selected, you will say files.length is greater than 0. In that case, we can loop through the images. We can say files.map, and for each file we can simply say we can embed them inside an image tag. So we can have and symbol here like this, and inside this image tag, guys, we can basically pass a width to 200 pixel and height to also 200 pixel. And then, guys, we can even pass a key parameter, which is the file ID, and the source parameter, which is really important, file.preview.url. That's all. So that's all you need to pass, guys, here. And now if you select any sort of images, it is saying not allowed. Let me see. Let me just paste it, guys. I think the code is somewhat incorrect written by me. So you can go to the description of the video to copy paste all the correct code. Let me paste it and not waste your time. You will see that. We can even select multiple images right here. So if I select a longer size image, you will see this is audio file which is there. If I now select, you can see that. So all the source code, guys, is given in the description of the video. Thank you very much.